Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to share with you the neutralization reaction between nitric acid and elemental lithium. Check this out. For this reaction, I'm using nitric acid, elemental lithium, a dropper, and a test tube. Remember, elemental lithium is the lightest metal on Earth, having only 3 protons, and that's why in the mineral oil it's actually floating. For this experiment, we're going to cut a very small piece of lithium. You can see how shiny it is once you get past that oxide layer. The next step is to add enough nitric acid to coat the bottom of your test tube. And now we're ready to add our small piece of lithium to our nitric acid. Right away you can see that reaction start. Very exothermic. Let's talk about what's going on in this reaction. This is a neutralization reaction or acid-base reaction where your HNO3 is your nitric acid that we combined with lithium oxide. These are your reactants. Your products are water and lithium nitrate. I wanted you to see the lithium nitrate, so I actually cracked open the end of the test tube and scraped some of it out. But the white product there is lithium nitrate, which will decompose under heat. It's a great oxidizer. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.